What is up, guys? Welcome back to the crypto chain game. My name is Logan Chain Allenball, and for today the crypto market is extremely exciting. As always, today I'm going to cover Ethereum, Bitcoin, also Neo, and DOT, otherwise known as Polkadot. So let's just hop right into the content today as the charts are spicy. Let's get to it here. So first things I want to note is Bitcoin. Actually, no, let me cover Ethereum first, like I said, because it's moving and grooving right now. Bitcoin or Ethereum just broke out. So I'm on the 4-hour time frame here. As you can see, it had came down from its all-time highs, done its consolidation here, moved sideways, collected liquidity, took out the weak hands, right? The diamond hands hold on forever. And now it has some very bullish momentum here. Look at this volume that's coming in here as well. Look at this. We're on the 4-hour here, and this volume here is much higher proceeding than before. Additionally, we're trying to find higher highs and lower lows, or higher highs and higher lows here. But really just this major 4-hour bullish push outside of this general downtrend here shows me that we're going to see all-time highs very, very soon for Ethereum. So that's exciting. Also the fact that often when you do the opposite of the masses, you're more than often right. And recently there was just a lot of beef on Ethereum. Oh, the gas fees are extremely high, this and that. Well, it has a lot of other use cases. Visa also just partnered with, or just made the first transaction with using Ethereum. So that is huge. I do think we will see $2,500 Ethereum here in the month of April. April is always an exciting month for cryptocurrencies and altcoins. So Ethereum is breaking out here. We will see all new time highs here. Actually, at the moment, it is pushing very strong here on the 4-hour. So keep your eyes on that one. We're already up 5.5% today. New all-time highs to come. Bitcoin, right? The head honcho. What I'm looking for here is, well, first off, we did make a play at the break of this neckline here, and we did take profits up to here. I've missed both of my entries here. I'm gonna bring it down on a little lower time frame on a trading standpoint. I wanted to see that strong 4-hour push above this trend line there, that yellow trend line there that signified the downtrend channel that it was in. As it was consolidating down here. And what I was looking for, which happened quite perfectly, except I was not up in the middle of the night to catch that play, nor did I set my alert to go off. Or sorry, I had an alert, but I did not set the price to get taken into the market. When that happened, I have been adding to my long-term holding position all throughout this. But just so you can get an idea of why I was looking at this area and why I was looking to add to this, it's incredible. I drew this out when it was over here, and it actually came down and wicked in my exact bubble. So pretty incredible there. But all I was looking for here, right, there was a strong bullish move here with these huge bullish candles. What I was looking for, and I drew it to the top of this, was a retracement back down to the 382, which it came with in mere pips of hitting my alert. And then I was thinking it could possibly retrace into the 5618 area. It did not. It continued bullish. However, if you take this still from that swing low to the now swing high, as you can see, it did end up coming down and retracing into that 50 to 618 area just very, very perfectly. So that's huge. Again, I did not get a leveraged position in at that time, but I did, however, add a lot to my portfolio on the long-term holding side of things. What I'm looking for now, so I already missed that entry position, right? Now I'm going to be looking for an entry basically at the break of this neckline right here to the upside, and where I could see us going from here is, of course, all-time highs for Bitcoin. If we have a strong 4-hour close above this channel, or this area right here of resistance, we have a strong 4-hour push and close above here, that will send us above 62,000. My prediction is that we will hit this at about 67,000 $200. That will be my take profit. I would like to see this 4-hour candle push through and close above. However, there's resistance here, so it could FUD around for a little while, come back down, touch trend, and go. We shall see. But that is my outlook for Bitcoin over the next week. Again, like I said, April is huge for cryptocurrencies, so this thing is definitely in the trend. The trend is your friend at the moment for it to go to the upside. Next thing I want to cover are a couple of things that move in conjunction with each other because they are direct competitors of each other. This is Neo and Dot. So Neo was kind of like the first generation of Dot. Dot is kind of like the newer gen. Sorry, let me go back down on the 4-hour where I was. As you can see here, we have had a breakout of this ascending triangle here, and it is up over 9% today, so that's huge. If you hold this in your portfolio, good for you. It feels good. I've been waiting on a long time for this thing to pop, and it just popped. So this thing is moving and grooving. It popped out of that little just downtrend, and it is going to continue up to the upside here as these altcoins continue to boom in the month of April. Its direct competitor at some point, I may be accumulating a little more Dot than Neo. We shall see how things go here. Don't have a lot marked up on it as far as visuals, but as you can see, a lot of volume came into the game today, and this very strong 4-hour push. So it is also up over 6%. Exciting stuff there on the charts. Let's see how much time I have left with you guys. I've got about 4 minutes left, so there's a couple other things I want to cover with you. Just some good visuals that I came upon on Twitter. I'll cover this one first. I don't know entirely how accurate these numbers are. Oh, where'd you go? All right. It's like, no. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why it's tweaking out on you here. Where did it go? Why is it doing that? Goodness. Okay, we'll cover this one first, I guess. This was, I believe I found this on Twitter, but as you can see, this is where price is at right now. This is a very conservative, but also probably a good outlook for this year of 2021. As you can see, he has the high at about 220K, which is generally the same percentage gain as what the market did back in 2013 on that push, not the 2017 push. And so he's predicting that you could see a 220K Bitcoin by around October. And I don't think that's that far off. He's saying about a 77K Bitcoin in the month of June, which I think could possibly happen just slightly sooner, just because of how bullish we could see April being. This could be just reversed, and it could be up here before then. But I did want to give you that visualization, as this is something to keep in mind. It doesn't matter if you're getting into the market at 55K or 64K when the market is at 220K. Just get in the game, right? All right, let's get out of this one. Let's try and find that other photo. Whoa, Jesus. I don't know where it's at. Alright, my apologies on that, guys. I'll cover that in the next one. But the basic content of what it was is that the market cap of gold is $10 trillion. If Bitcoin is right now just over $1 trillion, we're hunting down Google soon. If Bitcoin takes a lot of the value out of gold, say let's take it half of the amount that's in gold, so Bitcoin is now worth $5 trillion, where gold was 10. That would put the price at about $500,000 for the price of one Bitcoin. Now, I believe there's a lot more uses for Bitcoin than there is strictly gold. So at one point, I think we could see $1 million Bitcoin be pretty reasonable if Bitcoin has a $10 million market cap. And I think it could go much farther beyond that. Just keep that in mind. We are still early adopters here, guys. Remember, do not despise these humble beginnings. As the person who never started, they never began, so they're never going to finish in the same position as you. So with that, guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. It's absolutely beautiful out here in Colorado. Have a wonderful one. Hit that like and subscribe button if I offered value to you. Have a good night. Ciao.